บัวเพียนบอกบัวเพียนน้ำพริกโซ่เลยหรอ
ปลาหนูคุยกับชีปลาหนู
ค่ะไอ้มาห้าบุจะขวด
ไม้บอกไม้ฮัดตับทุกตัวไป
Holy man. And that's our liver. Look in here. Delicious, yes. I know it's delicious. Wow. What an awesome find at this market. I bought a bunch with the variety pack. Quite cool people as well. They moved a pile of stuff and 3 different vendors had to move stuff so I could get to the back where the guy was cooking. That they really wanted to show what they were doing. And that, what, 2 barrels full of, this is just chicken frames, right? This is the tail. There's the tail. The back end, that's what I picked. But they had all of the frame cut into at least, I think 3 pieces to cut it into. I have shown this stuff before and cook in a barrel like that. And then the chicken liver was grilled over charcoal. I got some of that too. We'll do a sample on everything. It's crazy hot. Not the food, the weather. Oh. I don't know what they use to marinate this with. It is delicious. Oh, so nice. I don't think chicken could taste better than this, you know. It's an awesome way to cook. In the dirty old oil drum. Now, got chicken hearts. They'd be grilled. See, they're split, yeah? Split but not cut in half. Oh, lovely. Not even chewy like normal. Oh, that's so good. Let's see what else we got. Oh, chicken tail on a stick. 2, 4, 5. Get 5 on a stick here. Normally you only get 4 now. But they're small. Eat the bone and everything. They're that small. That's good too. What else we got? This is exciting. Is it the liver like he was cooking there? Oh, just melt in your mouth. Oh, perfect. What's this? Oh, that's liver again. And this one's different. Chicken necks. Chicken neck on a stick. How cool is that? They must be cooked in the barrel. Oh, that's so good. All of this only costs 65 baht. What's that, $2? Unbelievable. And delicious. All of it. It's the best chicken liver I've had in a long time. Wow. Greasy too. Alright guys, there it is. Cool people, cool market, and delicious food. But it's a little bit warm out. Luckily I got cold water. Whew. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. I'm glad I came here, but it's way too hot. Oh, that's good. I'll save some of this for later, but I might finish this one. Miss my dogs now.